everyone. Today I'm feeling very glad to speak some words about the teachers on this Teachers Day special. One of the most beautiful gift that we have been got from the God. I see them as teachers. Understanding the thoughts, capacity, mindset of the student is only possible by the teachers. Many of them have been stood up in their lives only because of the foundation, direction, guidance given by the teachers. Today, I could like to thank all my teachers who are unselfish, unconditional, and supportive always. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you so much.
Yes. From whom we learn to read and write, from whom we learn to make ourselves disciplined, and from whom we get scoldings, appreciations, and stand up, from whom we are at the stage to be called as disciplined, sensible, and educated. It's just because of our teachers. Without them, it's not even possible to make ourselves responsible enough in our life. They help us in setting goals and accepting failures and make ourselves to proceed in life. It's just because of the teachers. So I'm really very grateful for such teachers to make every student's life better and brighter and meaningful. So I would like to tell on this occasion is a very happy Teachers Day for all the teachers who make each and every student's life to be a successful. Thank you.
Is this pandemic a barrier to our education? No, not at all. Because teachers are doing their duty unconditionally to save the student from the difficulties which may occur in future. They are completely involved to make ourselves better and stress-free by holding our hands in every step we take. Our best guiders, supporter, caretaker. And it's very hard to say about the roles they play in every student's life. On this Teachers Day, I'm really grateful to show my gratitude, which is immense towards them. Thank you all the teachers for making us realize that we are not helpless in this pandemic. Once again, a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers.
Hello everyone. Today is such an important and grateful day for every student to wish their teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers are those who involve themselves in making the students' life better and bright. They guide us in setting our goals by not only teaching us the syllabus but by also giving the moral values and also life lessons which are needed for an individual to survive in the society. Even in this pandemic, the education of students is not affected because of the determination and responsibility of teachers who have taken the initiative to stand up and hold our hands, which they always do in every phase of a student's life. I would like to thank all the teachers for their immense support, unconditional love and care, unselfish service till now. They are the guide, caretaker, supporter, and they play many roles in a student's life and they leave a greater impact. So I would like to thank all teachers and I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.